Special greetings to dear children. At the outset, I would like to thank Greenwood High principal and the staff for inviting us to give this talk to dear children. And I wish we could all meet in person, but it's difficult times, and I think all of you have been confined to your home since last 1.5 years. It's been difficult not just for you, but for everyone else as well, all over the world. Now, I think it's important to adapt to our situation, whichever situation we are in. Adaptability is a very important life skill. Now, I've been told that all of you are in the grade 6 to 8, so most of you must be either teenagers or pre-teens. I think this is special years of growing up. So these growing up years usually lay foundation for your adulthood or your future health. So I think it's very important you all follow healthy lifestyle during these growing up years. What is lifestyle? We are mainly talking about 3 things when we talk about lifestyle. That is your diet, physical activity, and screen time. Now all of you must be aware of what is balanced diet. It must have been taught to you in your science classes. So balanced diet includes different types of food, carbohydrates which are energy giving food, and then you have proteins which are body building food, and fat which is energy reserve, and also micronutrients which is your vitamins and minerals which are very important for various activities which take place in your body. Now for growing up you need lot of proteins. During this age, that is during this teenage years, normally you need lot of proteins because proteins is what helps you to grow fast or grow tall or grow big. And during this period you would grow very fast. For example, boys may grow around 10 to 12 centimeters per year and girls may grow around 6 to 8 centimeters per year. So that's quite a lot. So you need to eat healthy proteins. Food which contains proteins, I think most of you will be aware of it. It's mainly milk, egg white, cooked fish, dal, sprouts, and lean meat. So these are good sources of protein. So you have to make sure you have these food items in your main meals every day. Along with that, carbohydrate makes very important part of your main meal, and that's what gives you energy to grow as well. So you have to choose right type of carbohydrate, that is fiber containing food, which we also call it as starchy carbohydrate. You have to specifically minimize using simple carbohydrate. Food which contains simple carbohydrate is mainly sugar and sugar containing food such as cakes, sweets, chocolates, fizzy drinks. It's very important you avoid them on daily basis and have it only occasionally. These days we see a lot of children consuming these simple carbohydrate and also fat containing food such as fries, chips, kurkure and stuff that will only lead to excess body weight, which we call as overweight or obesity. When your weight is much more than what is normal for your age and your height, then we call it as obesity. Nowadays we are seeing a lot of children with obesity, and that can be very dangerous. As you all know, now we are in this COVID-19 pandemic, but we are seeing that next pandemic is going to be childhood obesity, and we really have to prevent that. To do so, you have to again eat right kind of food and get rid of the simple carbohydrates and fat, excess fat in your diet. You should also make sure you eat lot of micronutrients which is provided by vegetables and fruits mainly. So please make sure you eat at least 4 to 5 portions of fruits and vegetables in your diet. Now, other than diet, other important component of healthy lifestyle is physical activity. Physical activity of at least 2 hours per day is extremely important for a growing child and even for adults. Now, I think because of this lockdown and restrictions, sports and outdoor physical activity has been compromised for everyone. But as I said earlier, we need to adapt to our situation. So even if you are at home, you can do certain physical activity. They say where there is a will, there is a way. So you can do yoga, dance, skipping and many other exercises at home So rather than saying that you can't go out and that's why you're not doing physical activity, you find a way to do some exercise at home. I think that is very important if you want to grow tall and if you want to be fit. And if you want to avoid other complications related to obesity such as diabetes, high blood pressure, body image issues, or if you want to fit into a nice dress, then you have to be doing physical activity and eat healthy. The last component what we are going to talk about in healthy lifestyle is most important one for these days, that is screen time. Screen time includes all your gadgets, including mobile phones, tablet, iPhone, whatever you have, or TV. Now because of these online classes, I think you are glued to screen for a very long period. Most of the schools are making sure that you do get breaks in between. Please use those breaks to get away from screen. You can't take the excuse of these online classes to be on screen all day. Nowadays we are seeing children coming in with various problems related to screen addiction. I think it's very important you don't spend more than 1 hour on entertainment using screen, including your TV, mobile, whatever you are using for entertainment. I strongly suggest avoiding mobile for entertainment. Just being on YouTube or any video games all day is not going to help you, rather it will kill your creativity. It's very important you explore your own potential than just watching somebody playing on YouTube. So please make sure you don't spend more than 1 hour on screen for entertainment. You can't help but you will have to attend your online classes because learning has to continue even during this pandemic. Now I would strongly suggest you not to entertain this social media platforms such as Facebook. It's really not advisable for your age, and just getting a lot of friends on social media or getting so many likes on social media is not going to help you in any way. It's all false pleasure what you'll be getting through social media. Rather, if you want good friends, you just call up your friends and talk to them. So please remember, restrict your screen time. By doing so, your learning will improve, your parents will be happy, and you won't get a lot of shoutings at home. And at the end of the day, even if you have spent 10 hours on screen, and if you get royal shoutings from your parents, you're not going to be happy, right? So please remember that. I think it's a good idea to have a goal to avoid distraction through all these media and gadgets. So if you have a goal, if you set a goal for today or for next week or for next year, and if you make a plan to achieve it, that will keep you busy and you'll feel happy at the end of the day. So you can get yourself organized. You maintain a diary every day, write down what you want to do tomorrow and try to achieve that goal. I think that will keep you happy. And I think what you need for learning or to enjoy learning is just curiosity and interest, and you should be ready to put in your hard work. With mere curiosity to learn or just an interest to learn, and if you put in hard work, you can achieve whatever you want. And also please remember to maintain hygiene and social distance during these difficult times of this pandemic. So please stay healthy, stay safe, and I wish you all the best for your future. Thank you.